Welcome to EcoValves, offering solutions for ecological draining of water from hydrocarbon storage tanks since 1997. Introducing the EcoValves TOO separation valve. To operate, open the draining gate valve. Drain the remains of the product by the sampling valve to a sump or return it to the storage tank using a pump. Make sure that the TOO valve is full with water by using the visual indicator or the sampling valve. Make sure that the drain valve is in the closed position. Open the pressure equalizing valve for 5 to 6 seconds. Now the float will rise, after which the system is ready for draining. Open the drain valve. Once the water has drained, the float will sense the hydrocarbon and sink to the bottom, and the TOO valve will close automatically, drip tight. Make sure to leave the drain valve in the closed position so that it will be ready for the next draining. EcoValves TOO automatic separation valves.